Reggae without the bass line, out of time, says member of a band that cracked the Billboard 100 Top 10 in the 90s. Inner Circle bassist Ian Lewis sounding the alarm as overseas reggae bands continue to eclipse their Jamaican counterparts on the international stage.
Yeah, you know, I see it in the past like I feel it in my mind.
Hundreds of reggae bands in the US alone, putting their spin on a genre that, following on the seemingly everlasting appeal of Bob Marley, continues to relay a message of peace and love, hope and resistance. But where are the Jamaicans? Only a handful of homegrown acts, still bringing star status to the big shows, where they're increasingly outnumbered by makers of so-called modern reggae.
30 to 40 acts is maybe 5 or 6. Damian Marley, Stephen Marley, Shaggy, maybe a Barry. You don't see Barris a lot because Barris is really a diaspora superstar that can cross over. He's the master of that.
Don't worry about the things you can't control.
The soldiers and stick figures bringing along their crowd, but also with an eye on the commercial prize.
300 to 400 modern reggae white bands are in America. They have moved their commerce now from 100,000 to 300. They are doing 8 to 10 to 15,000 people combined when they go together. They pound the road. They do 200 shows every year, $40 tickets, not $200 and $300 tickets. So they go in for the demographic that will come out to listen to what they are playing. They call it reggae. We might not feel it like how they feel it, but it's appealing to their demographic.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Inner Circle cracked Billboard's Hot 100 Top 10 with Bad Boys in 1993.
Girl, I want to make you
Sweat, also from their Grammy-winning album Bad to the Bone, got to number 16. Shabba Ranks had already made Billboard's 200 album chart with As Raw As Ever and Extra Naked. And Inika Moses' Hot Stepper
I'm the lyrical gangster.
would later hit the top spot in the US. The 90s, heady days for both reggae and dancehall, remembers bassist Ian Lewis.
You know, you have to be innovative in those days to survive. You couldn't just, just draw some computer crap and things that will work. No, you wouldn't get through.
So times have changed in a big way and to our disadvantage in some respects.
I think it has caused us to lose international respect. It's not rocket science, my brother. We need to work together in commerce, in music, in management, in videos, in content to show what we really have. This is a gold mine, but we're not united. If the new school and the old school can meet and compromise certain things and bring it, jerk it to the center, jerk it to the center.
That's achievable.
We have to try, Reggae without the bass line, it's like a beating out of time. To me, we have to get back to the bass and the jump. I don't want to lose that. Whatever time God have me here, I don't want to lose that. I want to fight hard to kind of hold it up,
Bar none, no song has crossed over and become an international song without the power and the strength of the diaspora. Diaspora means travel. You need a visa. 99.9999998% of them can't travel because they are not internationally friendly. They're criminals. I know them are gonna beat me bad, them always beat me bad.
Rough Cuts Nigel Staff weighs in on the biz and the way back from the brink next Friday.